Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today we are going to see how to disable split screen option for your Android Studio app. So if we click on the recent app button and click on the app icon, we can see there is an option split screen. Using this option, we can use an app alongside another app. We can also resize their screens. Okay, so you may want to disable this option because this messes with your UI. And to disable this option, we'll jump into Android Studio. So go to project window, app, manifests, android manifest.xml, and in this file under the application tag we need to add another attribute. Okay, so that attribute is android colon resizable activity and we need to set it to false. Okay, so after making this change we'll reinstall the app and see whether the split screen option has been disabled or not. We'll go to recent apps, and if we click on the app icon we can see that the split screen option has been disabled. So that's how you disable split screen for your Android Studio app. So if you found this video helpful, like the video, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. See you next time.